how to find video suggestions, notifications, settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find video suggestions, notifications, settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy and scroll down until you find push notifications, and scroll down until you find it here, video suggestions. And now just manage anything you want here and then go back. It will be saved, and as you see that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.